I don't know what my life would be without the stage.
Charlton Heights Elementary School Principal Tim Sinnenberg, BHBL alum and Pashley player, has performed on the high school auditorium stage since he was 10 years old.
I've learned so much about life from being involved in the theater at BHBL. It's a great gem for our community.
Since 1955, this stage has seen it all. Thousands have witnessed assemblies and presentations, concerts for all schools, and plays for all ages, countless BHBL follies, and community theater programs.
This auditorium is a centerpiece of the Burnt Hills Boston Lake community. Virtually every district student, staff member, teacher, administrator, Board of Education member spends time in this space. As great as that sounds, there's over 60 years of wear and tear that need to be addressed.
Other than a few small cosmetic improvements, it really hasn't been addressed. And so the stage that you're seeing, the walls that you're seeing, the way that the stage opening are set up are exactly how it was when this auditorium opened.
The auditorium becomes overcrowded and overheated during performances. It doesn't even seat the entire high school student body, so building-wide assemblies aren't possible.
Heads.
Most of the equipment is old and the space is outdated.
Really, in addition to being a performing space, this is a classroom. This space is a classroom, and in much the same way that we want our shops and our art rooms to have state-of-the-art equipment, we want our theater to have state-of-the-art lighting, state-of-the-art sound system, the kinds of things that students are going to see when they get out into the real world.
Envisioned is an air-conditioned, state-of-the-art performance space with balcony seating and cutting-edge technology to match the rest of BHBL's 21st century spaces.
A space like this is a place where you want your community to be comfortable. It's a place where you want your community to feel at home.
My experiences on stage have really made me proud, and I can't wait to give the students a modern, new facility that they can be proud of as well.